Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss a new cue card for you that is very important for your IELTS speaking, and the topic is talk about a competition which you want to take part in. Okay, so it could be any competition that comes to your mind: fancy dress competition, cooking competition, speech declamation competition, could be any competition, right? So the questions are what type of competition it would be, what qualities a person should have to be a part of such competition, and the last is why do you want to participate in it. So whenever we start, we always start with an introduction that is related to the topic. So the topic is competition, will start something related to that only. So competition is a situation in which two or more people or groups are trying to get something which everyone cannot have. Okay, so this is something, a definition of competition and a very suitable example to start such kind of topic. Competition provides motivation to achieve a goal and overcome challenges. So whatever the challenges we face in our life, competition always courageous, always gives us that strength to overcome whatever the hurdles we are facing in our life. I have participated in many competitions since my childhood. Here I would like to talk about a competition I would like to take part in, because the question is you want to take part. It is not something you have already participated, it is something in future you want to take part. So it should be in future tense, not in past tense. That is again very important, right? So today I would like to talk about cooking competition in which I would like to participate. So cooking competition which is held annually in Hotel Taj, right? So judges are renowned and very famous chefs such as Sanjeev Kapoor and Tarla Dalal. So they are there to judge the level of the participants or the performance of the participants. I am working really hard, or I must say I am burning midnight oil. Being industrious, I am really putting into a lot of efforts to improve my culinary skills, cooking skills, to take part in it and to impress the judges, right? Since they are the world famous, so I need to be at their level, not exactly at their level, but still I need to achieve something to impress them. Second question, what qualities a person should have? So one should have efficient culinary skills and should be passionate for cooking, because for cooking you really need a lot of patience. So one should have a lot of patience. Then another is creative. You need to be creative to prepare any recipe. How to present the food items. So presentation or garnishing is again the significant part of it. Then innovation in traditional food, because everybody needs something different. Since variety is spice of life, so we need variety of food items, right? So if one wants to win such kind of competitions, one should have innovations in themselves. Then another thing is that, another quality, one should be calm enough to work under pressure. Okay, and quick as per time limit is given to prepare a dish. So we need to prepare the dish in the given time slot. So there are certain qualities that one should have in order to win such kind of competitions, right? Now the third part is why do you want? Why, right? So I want to participate to expose my talent, as my all the family members really appreciate my cooking, so that motivated me to participate and expose. If someday I can win these titles, so I can become famous in my society and among my friends and relatives. So expose my talent, get name and fame, and to achieve my goal of becoming an eminent chef, eminent famous. Okay, so because of that only, I just want to take part in this competition. So I hope that you learned this topic very nicely, and now you can speak the same with confidence in your final exam. Okay, so stay tuned, keep learning, and all the best.